Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the question bank feature in your Engage chatbot. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to create and manage questions and answers to enhance your chatbot's functionality and provide accurate information to your users. Navigate to your Engage dashboard and select the chatbot you want to configure. Click on the Question Bank tab to access the list of existing questions in the Question Bank section. Click on Add Q&A to create a new question and answer pair. This will open a form where you can specify the details, choose appropriate tags for your question to categorize it effectively. Select the language in which the question and answer will be provided. Input the question you want your chatbot to be able to answer. Then, provide a clear and concise answer to this question. Ensure that the information is accurate and helpful. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click Submit to save your question and answer. You will then be able to see the list of questions you have created in the question bank. After submitting, test your bot by asking the questions you've created. Verify that it provides the correct answers. This step ensures that the question bank is functioning as expected and your chatbot is ready to assist users. And that's it. You've successfully utilized the question bank feature in your Engage chatbot. By maintaining a comprehensive and well-organized question bank, you can improve user engagement and provide timely, accurate responses. Thank you for watching, and happy bot building!